Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, cutie? Where are you going? Look at those little ears. Look at your little cute ears. Look at your little cute ears. You're just so cute, aren't you? You're just so cute. Scratch, 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 scratch. Is she giving you the Yoda ears? Uh-huh. Look at those ears. Who's the cutest dog in the whole wide world? Huh? Oh, you're too close. I can't see them. You're too cute. Yes, you are. You're too cute. You're too cute.
You know what she looks like? One of those fur kids. Furbies. A Furby.
Oh, yeah, she kind of does look like a Furby. Smile, Mom.
Okay, I'm smiling.
There's Dad in there cleaning up some more.
What? What does that little baby want? Look at Julie and give her the ears. Come here. Now turn around. Oh, well, Carl.
Hand signer.
Hello. Hello.
Who's too cute?
Say thank you.
Hi.